Did you know that Elon Musk's Neuralink has already implanted a computer chip into a human brain? In a sterile, brightly lit room where the future of humanity is being rewritten, a scene from science fiction becomes reality. A high-precision robot with movements steadier than any human hand delicately lowers a web of ultra-thin threads, each one finer than a human hair, into the living tissue of a human brain. This isn't a movie. This is now. In January of 2024, a monumental event occurred, one that could redefine what it means to be human. Elon Musk's ambitious and controversial company, Neuralink, announced it had successfully implanted its first brain-computer interface, the N1 implant, into a human subject. The recipient was not a test pilot or an adventurer, but an individual whose life had been profoundly altered by paralysis. For this person, the implant represented not just a technological leap, but a glimmer of hope for a life of renewed connection and autonomy. The device itself is a marvel of miniaturization. A small coin-sized chip, designed to sit flush with the skull, is connected to over 1,000 microscopic electrodes. These electrodes are the bridge between the biological and the digital. They are implanted into the motor cortex, the region of the brain responsible for planning and executing voluntary movements. Here, they listen. They listen to the silent symphony of neural firings, the intricate electrical language of thought and intention. Imagine a thought. Move the cursor to the right. For most of us, this thought instantly translates into a physical action. But for someone with paralysis, the connection is broken. The command is sent, but the body cannot respond. This is where Neuralink steps in. The N1 implant intercepts that neural signal, that whisper of intent. Complex algorithms then decode this brain activity, translating it from a biological impulse into a digital command. The thought, once trapped, is now free. The results are, frankly, astonishing. We see the patient, Nolan Darbaugh, a young man paralyzed from the shoulders down after a diving accident, simply by thinking, moving a cursor across a computer screen. He plays chess, navigates online interfaces, and communicates with the outside world. He describes the experience as using the Force, a seamless extension of his own will. With no physical movement, he types messages, interacts on social media, and rediscovers a level of digital independence that was stolen from him.